discuss the chapter number 15, probability. So we have studied about the probability in 9th class also. So probability is basically the chance of happening of an event quantitatively, that is probability. So basically we can understand the probability as the probability is the measurement of uncertainty of the occurrence of an event. So come to its definition part. The chance of happening of an event quantitatively is called the chance of happening of an event quantitatively is called probability, or we can say probability, it is the measurement of uncertainty of occurrence of an event under a random experiment. Now we understand some terminologies that what is random experiment. So an experiment which is in that experiment we can predict, but we are not sure that this time what will happen, means what the result or what the outcome occurred. For example, in tossing a coin, we already know that head or tail comes, but we can't predict that this time head will come or tail will come. So that's why tossing a coin is a random experiment. Similarly, throwing a fair die which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a outcomes. In that experiment, we cannot predict that what will occur this time. But so that's why this experiment, throwing a die, is also a random experiment. So now in this chapter we study two types of probability, that are two types of probability. The first one, experimental probability, and the second one is theoretical probability. So basically, in experimental and theoretical probability, the difference is what? The experimental probability deals with the random experiment, means we know that what is happening in the event. But in theoretical probability, the whole process is about prediction, that what will happen. So experimental probability of an event E is given by probability of event E is equals to number of times event E occurred divided by number of times